Get that pre-workout. Yes, yes, yes. Shaka, shaka, shaka. And this feels like Christmas, guys. I'm so excited because I know I posted that I got my shoes. Anyways, it was confusing. I thought it was a men's size, so I ordered them in a 6. They came before I left to Atlanta, and they were a true 6, which my big ass foot, I'm an 8. So I'm so excited. They get added to the gym bag. So excited to try these out. Been needing them. This powerlifting meet is making me get on my shit. And they are fucking swag. I'm ready. Let's go. So I'm going to be filming a half day of eating, guys. This is what I'm going to be having pre-workout. Lean turkey burger. Not the usual ones that I get from Costco. This one's like 2 grams more fat, 9 fat. I believe 21 carb and like 21 protein and like 1 carb. Don't quote me. I'll link the macros below. And I'm going to have my fish oils because those are just amazing for your body. Everybody should be taking them. I actually picked up this yesterday because I love smothering all my food in either hot sauce or ketchup. It's the reduced sugar one. I've heard a few things from different people. Some people love it, some people hate it. I actually enjoyed it. It's around the same as ketchup, but it's like 4 less carbs, so, because I go ham with this, seriously. And for your info, I did like it. Anyways, so the bun is rainbow. The macros are 22 carb and 1 fat, guys. So, hello, my loves. So we are here back at the gym every day of my life. You know how I do. I am on my 4th week of my program, and we are attempting 3 rep max on my deadlift today, which I'm super excited about. I was just looking at Instagram earlier and like other power lifters, and just getting really fueled about this meet. I'm really excited about it as the weeks progress. In the past 2 days, you know, I went into the gym, and it should have been a crappy day in the gym yesterday and the day before, just because I've been so deprived of sleep, the time change, because I just came back from vacation, and just getting everything together. The past couple of days I've been super busy. I haven't really been able to get much sleep, but my days in the gym went really well, so I should be hitting the numbers that I am hitting currently with the week that I am on my program. So I'm super excited about it. Yeah, so let's see what I get in the gym today. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, and I'm really excited because I get to wear my new squat shoes. Okay, bye.
As the wind blows, I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
Anywhere out this place, I